What's up guys, JJ here, and for today's video we're going to do a do-it-yourself, realistic 3D background for an aquarium. I just got a new 75 gallon, Petco had a sale, $1 per gallon or half off, so I couldn't help myself, and I've been shopping for backgrounds for it because I saw some really good 3D backgrounds online, but they were going for $200 plus, $300 plus dollars for the quality that I wanted. So I decided, you know your boy can make his own. So stay tuned, hit that like button and subscribe if you like these kind of videos, because I'm thinking about doing more, and enjoy. Supplies are pretty simple for this one. All I needed was some insulation foam, some silicone, and some hydraulic cement. Now, I had already measured the inside dimensions of the tank, and then I gave myself about ½ an inch of wiggle room for after we have our layers of cement on. Then I cut it to size and made sure it fit. After that, I just matched the first two pieces to my second two pieces to make sure they were the same size. And once I had the shape of the second pieces, it was time to start drawing my rock formations. Once the rock formations were all drawn out, I cut them out using my box knife. After my pieces were all cut, I glued them back on to the other board, and you might notice I was using toothpicks to hold it in place and keep things from sliding around while they dry. Then once everything was set in place, I used a box knife and a file to add some depth and texture to my pieces. And I dusted off all the excess foam so our concrete would go on smoothly. Now this first layer of concrete was intentionally thin because I wanted to drip into all the cracks and crevices. After this one I took it outside and I painted a couple more thicker layers on it. Then I let it dry. And there you have it. All that's left now is to silicone it in place. Once you have the silicone in, you might want to do something to keep good contact on it, like clamp it in, or what I ended up doing was flipping the tank on its side and putting some weight on top. And there you have it. Alright guys, that's it for me in this one. I had a lot of fun, and if you enjoyed watching the build, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to stay tuned for how I stock it and set it up and all that, and what the future holds for this tank, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.